Would it be fair to say that the wisdom of Kabbalah is the core, the basis, or the foundation of all religions, mystery schools, deep philosophies? Kabbalah is an insight, a wisdom into the laws of nature, into the phenomena that we see and what's behind them. So this insight into nature itself is the foundation of any wisdom, any science, and any philosophy. But the difference is that Kabbalah is not just a matter of individual insight, theorizing, and piece by piece construction of a theory of a law of nature. This is a communication from the source of nature itself, in which this insight and attainment is given directly to the, let's call it, the heart or the soul of a person. It's something that's passed on. It's something that can be tangibly experienced. It is a methodology that allows a person to directly experience this law and to answer the question, what's the purpose of life? Now, that's a big one, but we don't really ask that question exactly. Unconsciously, we ask, what is this? What is this? Where is this? Why do I feel myself as a separate part, living in a world of many separated parts on some kind of larger setting? Why is there an inside and an outside? And for that matter, what is our inner life? And what are we looking at? Why is there good? And most of all, why is there bad? What are these things? What's the root of good and bad? Why is there suffering and pleasure? And why is it that in our general experience, human experience common to all, love seems to mitigate and calm all that? That's what Kabbalah puts a person in touch with. The perception, which is the answer to all of those things. That these things that we feel about our own perception and so on are not something random, some eye looking at some other world, but there's a connection between the inner and the outer. There is a most profound spiritual logic, that is a logic of a higher force and a greater, larger perception that gives us that sense of proper place and home. We understand through this methodology what we are, where we are, what we're here to do, where we're going, and how to enjoy the ride, how beautiful an adventure it really is.